Do you feel stressed, anxious, or tense after a long day? You don't need a gym or expensive equipment to feel better. Today, I'll guide you through 5 simple yoga stretches that help release stress, relax your mind, and calm your body. You can do these anytime, anywhere. Welcome back to okamsozor, where we share natural remedies, fitness tips, and mental health support to help you live a healthier life. If you're new here, subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss our weekly wellness videos. Stretch 1. Neck release. Stretch. Stress often builds up in the neck and shoulders. Gently tilt your head to one side, hold for 10 seconds, then switch sides. Breathe slowly and deeply. Stretch 2. Child's pose. This pose helps calm the nervous system and relax the back. Sit on your heels, stretch your arms forward, and rest your forehead on the mat or floor. Stay here for 30 to 60 seconds and focus on your breathing. Stretch 3. Seated forward bend. This stretch releases tension from the lower back and helps quiet the mind. Sit with your legs extended, gently bend forward, and reach toward your feet. Never force the stretch. Listen to your body. Stretch 4. Cat-cow stretch. Move between arching your back and rounding it while breathing in and out. This movement helps release spinal tension and improve circulation. Stretch 5. Seated twist. Twists help relieve tension in the spine and improve digestion. Sit tall, twist gently to one side, hold for a few breaths, then switch sides. Bonus breathing technique. Deep breathing exercise. Close your eyes and breathe in through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 seconds. Exhale slowly through your mouth for 6 seconds. Repeat this 3 to 5 times to calm your mind instantly. Try these stretches daily to reduce stress and improve your mental well-being. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe to okamsozor for more fitness and mental health tips. Comment below and tell me which stretch helped you the most. Watch this next video on natural remedies for stress and anxiety to continue your wellness journey.